Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Motomaster battery booster is charged and set near the vehicle. Once done, turn off all accessories so no drain fights the boost. Make sure you can clearly see the battery and that polarity is obvious. Attach the red clamp to the battery's positive terminal first, because doing positive first reduces the risk of sparks. Then connect the black clamp to the negative terminal or a clean chassis ground point. This order ensures safe current flow when you power the unit. Once clamps are secure, power the Motomaster booster on and observe the status indicators so you know it's ready. Green means good, red or flashing indicates an issue. Position yourself inside the car and attempt to start the engine in short bursts of 5 to 10 seconds to avoid overloading the booster. If the car doesn't start, wait 30 seconds to let the booster recover, then try again. When the engine turns over successfully, keep it idling to let the alternator recharge the battery before removing clamps. After the vehicle runs smoothly, turn the booster off to stop current flow before you touch the clamps. This avoids accidental shorts. Remove the black clamp first, then the red clamp, and stow the unit safely. Make sure battery terminals are clean and tight because loose connections mimic dead battery symptoms. If the car still struggles to start later, recheck the booster's charge level and your clamp connections and measure battery voltage. These steps tell you whether the battery, alternator, or unit needs further attention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.